Namaste. Nitric oxide plays an immensely powerful role in one's overall health. For conditions like heart disease, ED, brain, etc., it plays a very central role because this is the body's natural way of creating vasodilation. A lot of the problems, for example, heart, blockages, ED, often because of blockages, because not enough nutrients, blood, etc. are going to the lower chakras or to the genitals and so on. And therefore, the organs there are not able to function very well. Nitric oxide, availability of nitric oxide in the body helps with the vasodilation. In fact, even medications or things like Viagra, Cialis, etc., in a way they mimic or they do something that nitric oxide does. They help create vasodilation so that the flow of blood, etc., especially to the genitals, improves and one is able to overcome conditions like erectile dysfunction and so on. Erectile dysfunction may affect men, but women also have their corresponding issues. CD, clitoral dysfunction, or FSAD, female sexual arousal dysfunction. Similar, they're all caused due to blockages. Do some research on atherosclerosis, which means something starts narrowing the arteries and the flow gets interrupted or blocked and so on. And one of the best ways to overcome this is naturally, with natural means, like the body itself creating nitric oxide. Body creates nitric oxide in this area, in the sinuses and so on, in the nasal airways. So there are certain things you can do to help you improve the creation of nitric oxide and the absorption of nitric oxide. And some of those things are: breathe through the nose always, number one. Most important, always breathe through your nose. Sometimes practice jal neti, you pour water through one nose and out the other. Then in through the second, out the first. Use warm water, add a pinch of salt, a little bit of salt, and do this regularly. It keeps your nasal passages cleared, and then that helps with the creation of nitric oxide, which helps automatically, which is absorbed naturally and helps to dilate the vessels and so on. Gargle often. If you gargle often, it will clear your throat and organs connected here, and also the sinuses indirectly. So even that can have a good effect. Warm water. I like to use tea, the black tea or red tea as they call it in China, or green tea is also effective. Should be warm. Add a bit of salt and gargle with that. It should be something that is tolerable to you. The other thing that you can do is actually apply cow's ghee, the pure cow's ghee, which is the clarified butter, which is very well known in India. May not be so well known in America, but you can always do some research and find out. And supermarkets usually carry some sort of ghee. So Amul is a good brand, and Patanjali is a good brand. You tend to get reasonably good ghee. May not be 100% what we want, but close. So pure cow's ghee is ideal. Apply it to your nose, the nostrils, and leave it there. It helps immensely with the creation of nitric oxide. Chant Om, or if you like, chant This also helps to create nitric oxide naturally. Then practice the Thunderbolt breath technique, which I teach, and the link will be given below, and you can learn how to do it. You can join the ED reversal program to learn various techniques which will help you immensely. And then practice Brahmari. You put your fingers like this. One, see, you block the nose and eyes and the ears, and you do, take a breath, block. No, you don't block the nose, you block the eyes, but you just put your fingers here at the nostril, just outside. Take a deep breath. Brahmari, very powerful, very effective, helps to create nitric oxide, which helps to dilate your vessels and allows the movement of the body's fluids much better, including blood. So start doing these things immediately. If you need any help, connect with me. I'm going to share all the details. I'll also share the link to the WhatsApp group for ED reversal here. It'll help you overcome ED. It'll help you with your heart issues, even blockages connected with the brain. Because we do these, but we do much more. Like there is the natural lotus opening program, which is part of the ED reversal program with the Thunderbolt breath. So learn all of these techniques and get back to good health soon. Namaste.